Craving something sweet but easy to make? These rice flour sweets are crispy, golden, and soaked in delicious sugar syrup. A homemade, preservative-free alternative to store-bought sweets. Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Let's start. First, preparing the batter. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup rice flour, 2 tablespoons suji or semolina, 3/4 cup curd or yogurt. Use buttermilk as an alternative of curd, perfect for those with gluten intolerance. 1/4 cup water. Mix well until smooth. Rice flour is light on the stomach, a great source of quick carbohydrates. Let it rest for 10 minutes to allow the semolina to absorb moisture. Now making the sugar syrup. In a pan, add half cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. Stir and bring it to a boil. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar dissolves completely. Keep the syrup warm. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda to the rested batter and mix well. If the batter is too thick, add a little water to adjust the consistency. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Take small portion of the batter and carefully drop them into the oil. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Once fried, immediately transfer the sweets into the warm sugar syrup. For extra flavor, add a pinch of cardamom powder to the batter or syrup. Let them soak for 30 minutes to absorb the sweetness. If you want a richer taste, drizzle some honey or sprinkle nuts on top before serving. And there you have it, crispy golden rice flour sweets, a perfect homemade dessert for any occasion. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.